This week we made these adorable shelves for picture frames.
So put down your tools, guys. It's time for Make or Break.
Welcome back to Make or Break, guys. I'm Rob.
And I'm Sarah, and this week we had a little bit of a challenge to overcome.
Yeah, so my wife has a bunch of picture frames and was going to arrange them on the wall, but instead, she remembered we used to have these old shelves that are designed to hold frames and lean them against the wall, and asked if Sarah and I could make some. So here's how it went.
Okay, let's build a frame shelf. Now we're gonna need a few 1x3s and 1x2s. Now, fortunately for us, we had some, but unfortunately we're still not really good at coordination. First things first, we had to measure out each piece for the 3 different size shelves we were gonna make. Then we brought them over to the miter saw where we made all of our cuts. Once we got all of our pieces together, we started assembling. Now these are built with very simple butt joints, which means we just butt one end up against another and attach them with fasteners. Now in this case, we used wood glue and a few brad nails to hold it together while it dried. I grabbed a bunch of clamps to help hold them together until we nailed them. When they finally dried, we gave them a good sanding and scraped out the extra glue. Then it was time to stain. Now, Jen picked out a light gray stain, which we applied generously against the grain, and then dragged our rag along the grain to get the excess off, and it looked pretty good. When it was finished, I thought it looked a little bit blue at this point, but Jen said it was gray and signed off on it, so hey, as long as she's happy, I'm happy. Next, I simply screwed the shelves directly into the studs in the wall, and that was it. Jen decorated them, and we're done. Very quick, easy, and functional project, just like I like them.
I can't believe how easy those were.
They turned out really cute.
Yeah, so, and of course, because they're such a simple organization of 3 little pieces of wood,
Right.
you can easily make them any size you want. So if you want to kind of lay out how many different frames you have, which Jen tends to put not just frames, but other things, small trinkets and stuff.
Yeah.
But you figure out what you need and just make them as long as you need to. We've used them in the past when we had a couch up against the wall to kind of create this design above the couch, and it
cool.
looked really pretty. So.
Yeah, I like them.
Anyways, we've got a bunch of picture frames. This is a good solution.
I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us that we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with Heart.
All right, guys, break's over.
Go make something.